Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find the Applications folder on your Mac, especially if it's missing from your sidebar. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. Thanks. Alright, let's begin. First, click on the Finder icon in your dock, usually located in the bottom left corner. This will open up a Finder window showing your files and folders. If you don't see applications listed under the Favorites section in the sidebar, here's how to bring it back. Go to the top left of your screen, click on Finder, then select Settings, or Preferences on older Mac OS versions. In the window that appears, make sure Applications is checked under the Sidebar tab. Once checked, the Applications folder should appear instantly in the sidebar. Still not seeing it? No problem. You can also go to the top menu bar, click Go, and then select Applications from the drop-down. That will take you directly to the folder where all your apps are stored. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find your Applications folder on Mac. If this video helped, hit that like button, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help.